Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the 6th grade concept of converting units. This is standard 6.4H in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 10 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got the wingspan of an adult bald eagle can be 7 feet. What is this in inches? And that's it. We simply need to change 7 feet into inches. All right. So let's see if we can do this. Let's represent this with a strip diagram here. So I'm going to just kind of look at my total. It's unknown, right? So this is my feet that needs to be turned into inches right here. And we already know that we actually have 7 feet here. All right, so let's see if we can represent this with our strip diagram here. So we need 7 little boxes. One is going to, so that's 7 feet. I'm going to put the question mark right there for my inches. Let's put 7 boxes here. All right, so let's pretend those are all the same size. What do we know about feet and inches? I've got 7 boxes. Each of those boxes represents 1 foot. If we look at our mathematics chart, we are going to see that 1 foot equals 12 inches. This is probably something we've had memorized for a while, but it is on our mathematics chart. All right, so these are each 1 foot. And what we could do, since we are converting these into inches, we can simply replace each of these feet with the new unit, 12 inches. So I've got 7 feet. I'm going to replace each of those with 12 inches. All right, so it looks like we've got either repeated addition, 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 plus 12 7 times, or you are probably saying, oh, this is just a multiplication problem. If you notice that, you are correct. We are simply going to multiply 7 groups of 12. Right, so 7 feet times 12 inches in a foot. Let's see, if we've memorized that, that's great. If not, we can always do the basic 2 by 1, right? So 7 times 2 is going to be 14. We're going to carry this 1. 7 times 1 is 7. Add that 1 is 8. All right, so there we go, 84. So 7 feet is the same as 84 inches because that's 7 feet times 12 inches in a foot. Super simple, but if we bubble it in wrong, we could still get it incorrect. All right, so let's look at our answer document. We're going to find something that kind of looks like this. We're going to have a long, skinny column, no bubbles underneath that is our decimal point. We're going to get 2 digits to the right of that. And then we're going to get 4 digits to the left of that. We're also going to get a positive and negative. We don't need that because if you don't bubble anything in, it is assumed that it's positive. We only need that if for some reason it's a negative something, but we're not dealing with any negative anything. And so we've got 84. And so if we need to, right, we can label this. This is the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. We don't need any decimals. We don't need tenths or hundredths. So we're just going to bubble in using place value. There's our 84. Make sure we bubble in the 8 and the 4. And there's no need to bubble in anything else. We don't need zeros, either in the thousands or hundreds place or in the tenths or hundredths place. And so our answer is simply going to be an 8 in the tens, a 4 in the ones, 84.